Lee County's new Triage Center and Low Demand Shelter opened recently to address the growing need for local mental health services and help relieve jail overcrowding. The center is the result of a public-private partnership between Lee County, the state, and a number of local health, substance abuse, and social service agencies. The center is an alternative location for local law enforcement to bring people arrested for low-level offenses such as disorderly conduct, disturbing the peace, loitering, public drunkenness, drug abuse, and/or mental illness disorders. Case managers from the Lee Memorial Health System, Lee Mental Health Center, and Southwest Florida Addiction Services will perform assessments and help individuals get into treatment programs. This will decrease the need for jail space, reduce the cost of incarceration, and improves outcomes for persons who tend to recycle through the criminal justice system. The Low Demand Shelter will be operated by the Salvation Army with financial support from the United Way. It is also a plus for law enforcement in that the turnaround time for arrestees is a matter of minutes and not hours, which allows officers to get back to patrolling the community. Lee County's booming population growth has led to overcrowded jails and an increasing number of people with emotional and substance abuse disorders who are simply locked up, adding to the problem. County commissioners, along with law enforcement, health agencies, and the court system, realized that alternatives needed to be found. More and more jail construction wasn't the answer. Led by County Commissioner Bob Janes, these groups banded together to lobby state and federal officials to provide better mental health care for local residents. Their efforts resulted in a 3-year, $1 million grant from the state's Department of Children and Families to operate the center. Those funds will be matched by the project partners to the tune of $750,000 a year. By addressing these types of cases on the front end, Lee County should save substantial tax dollars because individuals will get treatment instead of being warehoused and then released just to return to the system again and again. Lee County's Department of Human Services will serve as the lead agency and contract manager, providing project oversight and funding for triage clinicians. The center is located at the Ruth Cooper Center campus on Ortez Avenue. Law enforcement officials will be able to drop off individuals from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. 7 days a week.